In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently edit a page on your Squarespace website. Whether you're looking to update content, rearrange elements, or make design adjustments, mastering these steps is essential for keeping your website fresh and engaging. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where all the magic happens. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll see an overview of your websites. If you manage multiple websites with your account, ensure you select the correct one that you intend to work on. Simply click on the website you want to edit, and you'll be directed to its respective dashboard where you can manage its settings, design, and content. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Pages section. To do this, click on the Website option on the left-hand side of your Squarespace interface. This will drop down additional options from where you should select Pages. This section is essentially where the structure of your website is displayed, showing each page that makes up your site. It offers a clear view of your current page layout and helps you manage what your visitors will see. Once you've entered the Pages section, look for the particular page that you want to work on. This could be your homepage, a blog, a gallery, or any other page you've created. When you found it, go ahead and click on that page. You'll notice an Edit button appearing in the top left corner of the screen. Clicking this button will put you in the editing mode, enabling you to tweak content and design as needed. Now, if you're planning to remove a button from your page, locate the button on the page first. Clicking on the button will bring up a toolbar that displays various options you can use to alter the button's settings. Among these options, you'll find the Delete button. Clicking Delete will remove the button from your page, so make sure this is the action you intend to take, as this step cannot be undone. If you've completed your changes and are satisfied with your edits, it's time to save your work. Squarespace makes this easy with the Save button located at the top left of your screen. It's crucial to hit this button to ensure that all the changes you've made are applied to your live site. Failing to save could mean losing all the hard work you've put into your site enhancement, so always make use of the Save feature once you're done with the editing session. And that covers the basics of editing a page within your Squarespace site. By following these steps, you can easily update and enhance your site as needed, ensuring that it remains relevant and engaging for all your visitors. Remember that consistency in checking and updating your site will pay off in the long run. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!